Alright, so we have had, it actually has not been that eventful of a journey. It's been quite straightforward. First off, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So this time round, Phil and I are going to Japan. Yeah, so we're very excited. This was on Phil's bucket list, to be fair, and I'm coming with him because why the fuck not, he ain't leaving me behind, no. So yeah, we are currently in Vienna because we had a 5-hour layover in Vienna, so we decided to just pop out and see a bit of, it's better than spending your time in the airport, isn't it? You might as well just breathe a little bit of Viennese air, Vietnam air, whatever, just breathe new air. The tickets say the same stuff. This one is the one going to the city, but I don't know where we get it from. Hey guys, okay, so now we're at Weinmiete Mall, which is right behind me. Everyone's staring, I'm a bit shy, but we'll power through. And then outside is the city center. Is that what Weinmiete means? Probably. I don't know. But yeah, let's go explore. Oh, that one. Run west. Which one do you want?
€7, please.
Broke.
That's Queen Elizabeth. Alright. Yeah. Drink?
Water, maybe. Do you not want water? What do you want?
No, I don't want water. I want Fanta.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
Can I get one?
No,
Right.
don't.
Right?
No?
You can go spoil, that's fine.
Okay, no, it's fine. Just don't hold on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There's no way you're getting chips as well.
No, that's big enough.
Yeah, I was
Why?
going to say. It's too big. It's too much for you, isn't it?
Oh, the pot's there.
I'm still dreaming. I think it's alright to try whatever makes us grow. Even without a certain vibe, a certain view, we keep hanging on.
Hey guys. Alright, so we have had, it actually has not been that eventful of a journey. It's been quite straightforward. Vietnam air, whatever, just breathe new air. and then we'll be back on the plane for 12 hours until Tokyo. I'm so excited. Anyway, yeah, just thought I'd come in, say hello, and see you guys in Tokyo. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so it's me again, but this time I'm in Japan. I'm very excited. We've just eaten, so I'm in a very good mood. It is I don't have a watch. It is 2 a.m. Yeah, 2 a.m. in Japan. I think it's fair to say we've been jet lagged. Yep, that's the word, jet lagged. Yeah, so we fell asleep on the plane the whole way here. And I might add, actually, that made the whole journey a lot easier because I woke up to breakfast and then they were like, prepare for landing. And I was like, well, all right then. Literally 12, well, it ended up being 10-hour flight. And it just went, it literally just went. Anyway, just a long story. So last time I saw you guys, we were in Vienna. We boarded the plane. We landed. And I don't know what took us 3 hours, but it took us 3 hours to finally get to our airport. But I think that's probably because we had to sort out SIM cards. Well, Phil got a SIM card. I ended up not getting one. Navigate the trains to Tokyo. Yeah, Phil took over that bit because when I was doing the trains to Vienna, we had a little hiccup. I wouldn't even say it was a hiccup. We got there. We got there. It was the right train. So anyway, yeah, then what we do? We got here. We took a nap. I took a 2-hour nap. Phil took a 4-hour nap. I had to literally drag him out of bed, and then about 2 hours later we finally ended up going out for dinner, and that was really nice. Phil's friend recommended it. Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so it's me again, but this time I'm in Japan! Ended up going out for dinner, and that was really nice. Phil's friend recommended it. I don't usually like teppanyaki back home because I find the food is a bit bland, but it was a lot better here, so check it out. Yeah, so we did that, then we just went for a little walk around, and now we're back in the hotel at 2 a.m. and I thought, let me give you guys a room tour, and it's gonna be super quick, like super quick. Let me show you. All right, so this is the door. This is the door. And then you walk. This is the wall where I hung my shit. And bam! This is the bedroom. Phil, say hi.
So,
Say hi. So that's, you know, this is our front desk. Yo, let me tell y'all. Alright, you know what? Fuck off. Why did this cost £10? £10 for ibuprofen. Are you mad? Guys, do not fall ill in Japan. You can't afford it. You know, all that shit, Coke. This is alright. This is about £1, so that's normal. Duty-free shopping. Yeah, guys, this is basically it. This is it, innit? Yeah. So that's the shoes. That's the bins. This is it. You know, that big ass telly for a very small room. Yeah. That's it. I can literally stand in one spot and show you guys our entire room. It just cracks me the fuck up. And this is our bathroom. Again, I can stand in one spot and show y'all the entire bathroom. That's the bathtub. That's the shower. That's the mirror. That's the toilet. That's the sink. And that's it. Oh, wait, I lied. This is a bougie toilet. Look at it. But yeah, you guys, it is a small room. Like, honest to God, it is so small. We've had to, like, pack our stuff. Like, look, I just had to, like, put my suitcase by the door. My other one is there right under Phil's feet. His one's right there. And, yeah, that's it. I like it, to be honest. I like it because, I don't know, I like being cozy. That's why I want to go to the capsule hotel. But Phil is not a big fan of it. Yeah, it's just the way it is. If you wanted like ones with like loads of space, you'd have to book the really big Western chains, you know, like Four Seasons, etc., and they're like really expensive. And then the normal ones, you're basically living how the Japanese do. They don't got space, like they got a lot of people and a little land. So this is it. So okay, anyway, that's a lot of, oh my god, that's 8 minutes worth of chatting and I didn't even say shit. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go to bed. No, I'm not, I'm wide awake, but I'm gonna get off the camera. Alright, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.